Te ali perlong ini apa yang ni ka kubolat kam ka pelajar kam Meghalaya Basin te ka way na kini ki post ka pelajar kam Meghalaya Basin kadai ka apprenticeship training program ka number of post kadai tangkawai kadai ka procurement public procurement principal entrepreneur learning ka kedan pulih berkedai ki bala pendap ya ka graduate in commerce BBA MBA in business and financial management but ka number of seat kadai shipo nang ta ka course kadai lai nang pata lai banai ki requirement kadai ki the candidate should be a resident of Meghalaya ki bala ban apply kani ki de tang ki ba shong basa ha po ka jala Meghalaya ka age limit minimum lani of jong candidate ban apply ka de khat pras nem sajrong ka the selection process apart from fill application form resume and certificate cover letter starting your interest villageness take up this apprenticeship training program in a most selection but a selection based on a merits marks nangta kumno bapin apply yakani the candidate must be apply only via the Google form yakani ka application lani pila ban apply link ba kani ka link ka labo ang ni the candidate gila ban fill kani ka application haswa ka ar penyotrik Januari ajarsan ha ka shwa ka san bajip yam all the essential document are upload in the same application provide pila ban upload ka jo ka page mo the term on condition gilong ni gilong ba ka stipend kadai nhiều hajar per month during the apprenticeship program as the organization policy. The candidate have should 90% attendance every month during the apprenticeship training program. And then the candidate should be submit the detailed work report after they complete the apprenticeship program. The candidate willing to travel remote this Meghalaya, state Meghalaya, no TA, no DA. Kamdon kata TA nane DA. Jongka MBDA during the apprenticeship program. Akani ko program unlodging arrange field as assignment will be arranged by MBDA. Te kamdon kanu ka TA lani kamdon kanu ka DA hakani ka training. Te nginapet yakni prolog kabalapan mi dakani ka Meghalaya Basin te kublai sibun lada pidang di kibat thangmai sobahaban share like and subscribe yakni ka channel kana mo pinyo sibun kijing mentoy naman dakani channel